Hi there, welcome to High5 Education. Join and excel with us.
Morning.
Hello kids, nice weather today, isn't it?
Good morning, Miss Caterpie. Do you have another lesson for us?
I always have something for you.
Oh, I'd love that.
Remember the vowels? Yes. All right, today I will teach you the short O sound.
The letter O is a vowel. When O comes before a consonant, O does not say its name. Instead, it makes a short O sound, O, like in pot or ox. Listen to each word. Which word has the short O sound? O, lock, lick. Listen to the vowel sound in the middle of each word. Lock, ok. This word has a short O sound. Lick, ick. This word does not have a short O sound. Which word matches the picture? Rod. Look at the picture. Rod. It shows the word rod.
We're here! See you later, Miss Caterpillar teacher.
See you on our next learning journey. High five, keep learning. See you in the next learning video.